So now you've been thinking okay, this is cool, we get in an intro without the head of Martin. But hey, you're mistaken. Welcome to the 5 Minutes Friday, in which I will explain the first steps for painting these castings we poured last time. Enjoy after the intro. I think we all know the drill. You know, slapping on a couple of washes. When we paint in walls or rocks, we take a reddish brown color. And a yellow ochre color. Pretty easy, just slap it on. And then finally, we end with a black wash. Heavily thinned. Now we'll slap it on the entire wall. You know? Just like that. Pretty easy. And when we finished and let it dry for a while, we finish it with a white paint and a dry brush. Also pretty easy. And it looks like this, you know. But I want to show you another way to paint walls, rocks. We call it glazes. But before glazing, you need a decent starting layer. You had to enhance the shadows, the highlights and all these kind of things. And it's pretty easy to do. We just start with a layer of black paint. It can be a primer, it can be just an ordinary black paint, acrylic paint. Spray it on. In this case, I use a craft paint in a little bit brown black color. And I do have this fancy dry brushes. You know, I love them. Really, I do. Got this little bit short wetting sponge with it. Just 1 or 2 drops of fluid in it, the water. Work it in and weten the bristles a little bit. It makes it easier, you know. And then this fancy dry brush palette with it. A friend of mine lasered it for me. And we start with a gray paint. In this case I used an MO dry brush paint, but it can be a regular craft paint, an ordinary hobby paint, Vallejo model color, whatever you have on hand, and start dry brushing the black wall with gray. Just like that. And we're gonna highlight with a final layer of white. Can it be a primer? Can be a dry brush paint from MO2 or a craft paint. Just white, you know. And dry brush. Until it looks like this. Wet the brush, clean it. Another color, a brownish black tone. I added a gray too, and show you now how I do it with a craft paint. Just the same. Easy like that. Really easy. Oh yeah, what I do mostly of the time is just test a little bit of how the brush does it work on the palm of my hand, non-toxic acrylics, and then it's time to work it in. Weten a bit, blah 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 blah, all these kind of things. And then finally it looks a bit like this, you know? And we are on the end of this 5 minutes again. 5 minutes, sometimes a little bit short. But hey, in the next episode, I show you how to use this. And for those who like the content, please like and subscribe. You know the drill. Bye.